Hello everyone. In this demo, we'll walk you through a machine learning project that detects malicious URLs using a random forest classifier. We use Python and Google Colab for implementation, and the model helps identify whether a URL is benign or potentially harmful, like phishing, malware, or defacement. Upload and load the dataset. We begin by uploading our dataset, malicious_fish1.csv, which contains URLs labeled as either benign or malicious types such as phishing, malware, or defacement. We clean the data by removing any null entries and filter only the relevant label types. After that, we map the labels into binary values, where 0 represents a benign URL and 1 represents any type of malicious URL. Initialize model and vectorizer. Next, we initialize a TF-IDF vectorizer to convert the URL text into numerical features that our machine learning model can understand. Then, we set up a random forest classifier with 100 estimators for classification. Train the model. We split our dataset into training and testing sets using a 70:30 ratio. The TF-IDF vectorizer is applied to both the training and testing URLs. Once the text features are ready, we train the random forest model on the training data. Evaluate the model and visualize results. After training, we use the model to predict the test set and evaluate its performance. We calculate the accuracy score, generate a classification report, and display a confusion matrix as a heat map. Save and download the model. We save the trained model and TF-IDF vectorizer using joblib. We've successfully built a machine learning model. For the website, we used Flask server as the backend. In the train model.py, the machine learning model code is written to train the model. To open the website, we need to run the app.py. While running the app.py, we will get a link. While clicking the link, it redirects to the web page. It takes some time to run and generate the link, which consists of localhost. After clicking the link in the terminal, we will redirect it to the web page, where we can check the URL to test whether it is malicious or safe with percentage. For checking purpose, we take a malicious URL from the dataset. From the dataset, just copy any URL and paste it in the text field and click the check button to process the URL. For this URL that we have taken from the dataset, it shows the safe percentage as 1% and malicious as 99%. Let's check it by trying with random URL. Now I am using Geeks4Geeks website URL to check. After pasting and running the link, we have got the safe percentage as 61% and malicious as 39%. From this we have successfully deployed the machine learning model. Thank you.